Hi all, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see what is logic gates and one of the logic gate and gate. Okay, welcome to Chip Talks, Madan. Today we are going to see two things. One is what is logic gates, and second one is operation of operation of and gate. Operation of and gate. Okay. First of all, before going to logic gates, okay, like we are using mobile phones, okay. Inside mobile phones the data are taken as zeros and ones, okay. So by taking zeros and ones as the input, okay, binary input, it will give the output, okay. It will give the output as binary input, but the screen will display another, okay, like you are opening an application, okay. If you're touching means it will take as a binary input and it will give return as a binary output, so that the screen will appear another page. Like that, here also logic gates are simply nothing but a building blocks of digital circuits, okay. It will take one or more input as binary inputs and give single outputs, okay, single output of binary data, okay. And it works under boolean algebra, okay. So if anyone asks something about logic gate means, you can tell explain. Logic gates are nothing but building blocks of digital circuits. Okay, it works under zeros and ones as binary input, and it will return single output. Okay, it can take one or many inputs as binary input, and it will return only one single output. Okay, and it works under Boolean algebra. I will write in notepad. Logic gates. It is the it is the it is the building blocks of digital circuits. Okay, and it will it will take a input as zeros and ones and process and give single input output. Okay, we can say it is works under Boolean algebra. Okay, it will take a it will it will take one or more inputs, one or more input as binary data, and it will return single binary output. This is about the logic gates will work. And we have AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Like seven gates we have. Today we are going to see about AND gate operation. AND gate operation. First I will draw AND gate diagram. We are giving two inputs, A and B, and the output is C. And we can draw the truth table. Okay. And uh, two inputs. First one is 0, 0, 0. Second one is 0, 1. Output will be same 0. Third one is 1, 0. Output will be 0. And fourth input 1, 1. Output will be 1. Okay. If the AND gate operations are nothing, simply we can tell if the inputs are A and B, okay, output is C. Okay, we are giving two input binary data. Okay, and output C is a single output binary data. Okay. So if you are giving 0, 0 means, okay, 0, 0 input, 0, 0 value, 0 for 0 for 0 for A, 0 for B. Okay, the output will be get 0. And 0, 1 means also we can get 0. 1, 0 means also we get 0. And in the case 1, 1, when the two inputs are on state, okay, so that only we can get the output as 1, or else we will get the output as 0. So in AND gate, when two inputs are in a on condition and condition only, sorry, only we get the output as 1, or else we get 0. This is the condition. This is the rule. Okay, this is the truth table of AND gate. Okay, and if anyone asks what is the logic of operation of AND gate means, when two inputs are equal or 1, okay, the output will be given as 1, or else with remaining digits are 0. Okay, we can consider an example of LED bulb. Okay, connected to two switches. Okay, if the two switches only, if two switches are either one switch is on or one switch is off, means the bulb will not glow. Okay, like that, if A switch is off and B switch also off, means the bulb will not glow. Or else if A is 0 and B is 1, means A is off state and B is on state, means also the bulb will not glow. But in A is on state and B is also on state only, the bulb will glow. Like that, AND gate operation will work. Okay, AND gate operations are nothing but when two inputs are in on state, okay, on condition, so that we can get the input as 1, or else we can get the input as 0. Like that, AND gate operation will work. Okay, and will we conclude this video. Okay, what is logic gate means? Logic gates are building blocks of digital circuits. Okay, and it will take inputs zeros and ones, and it will give single output. Okay, but it can take one or more inputs. Okay, so and it will return only one single output. Okay, so it's under Boolean algebra. So about logic gates, if any something, if a question arises from logic gates, you can tell that definition. And one of the gates we are seeing AND gate operation. AND gates are nothing but a build when two conditions are seen on state only, we get the output as 1, or else we can get the 0. This is the AND gate operation. In upcoming videos, we will see the individual gates like NOR gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate in each video, so that we can get the clarity of logic gates. Okay. After that, we can see about Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Okay. And what are the Boolean algebra laws are there? Okay, we can see in the upcoming videos. It's end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye from Madan. See you in the next video.